international relations students, when you are going abroad, you are fully diplomatic. You are representing Nigeria. Today, diaspora economy is the most important talked about things that are bringing in lot of issues solved.
Well, it has been a big pleasure and honor to visit Skyline University in Kano and with the students today of the international relations and the faculty, professors and teachers. It has been a great day of interactions on the challenges and opportunities on multipolar world under a very compelling geopolitical rivalry. It is vital that this university will be very much pleased to have such beautiful assets, students and also faculty. I am very impressed by the wonderful facilities in this university, and I wish a very good success of this university. I thank you.